For small business owners with outstanding tax penalties, the Bureau of Internal Revenue is offering a brief window to get those past liabilities wiped clean. The legal framework for this relief is Revenue Regulation Number 004-2026. It provides a structured path for qualified microbusinesses to settle their delinquent accounts permanently. Looking at the official guidelines, there are strict prerequisites. First, you must meet the legal definition of a micro taxpayer. This means your business's gross sales for the year remain under the 3 million peso mark. The second prerequisite is outlined in Section 4. Your total basic tax liabilities, combined with any penalties for the taxable year, cannot exceed 80,000 pesos, and this figure must be accurate as of December 31st, 2025. Confirming these two numbers before you do anything else prevents you from submitting an application that the system will automatically reject. If you meet the thresholds, the program covers several types of issues, including standard delinquent accounts and cases currently facing administrative protest. To apply for this specific relief, you must use the official One-Time Abatement for Micro Taxpayers Application Form. Start at the top. Input the exact return period and year-ended data in boxes 1 through 4. Moving down to Part I, your TIN, RDO code, registered name, and address must perfectly match your Form 2303 Certificate of Registration. Even a minor typographical mismatch here between your application and your official registration will cause jurisdictional delays at your Revenue District Office. Next is the high-risk Part 2, Computation. In the left column, lines 14 through 22, mark the checkbox for your specific tax issue. Then move right. You must write your exact tax type and basic amount due, excluding any interest. Leaving these calculation columns blank is the single most common reason applications fail. Missing this data results in an automatic, non-negotiable denial from the BIR. Pinpointing your exact debt amount down to the peso is what allows the office to process and forgive that debt. To finalize the paperwork, manually sign the declaration in Part 3. You need to physically submit a separate copy of this form for each taxable year directly to your local Revenue District Office. Once the RDO accepts your application, the guidelines outline a mandatory abatement fee. You will use BIR Form Number 0605 to pay exactly 5,000 pesos. This illustrates the deadlines. From the moment you file, you have exactly 5 working days to pay the fee. Then a second deadline triggers. You have another 5 working days to return to the RDO and submit your official proof of payment. If you miss either of these 5-day windows, the entire application is voided. While the 5,000 peso fee is non-refundable, the BIR will apply it as a partial payment toward your outstanding balance. Surviving this process requires treating it like a compliance sprint. Filing the form simply starts the clock. Missing a step derails the forgiveness. After you submit your proof of payment, the RDO will verify the receipt. Within 5 working days, they will issue your official certificate of availment. This chart summarizes the path to that certificate. Step 1, file the correct form. Step 2, pay the 5,000 peso fee. Step 3, submit your proof. And Step 4, receive your final clearance. Qualified taxpayers have until December 31st, 2026 to utilize this program before the window closes. Once you hold that certificate of availment in your hands, the file on your past tax liabilities is officially closed, leaving you clear to run your business moving forward.